Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've got Auto-Tune Pro ready. Now open FL Studio and route the vocal to a mixer track. First, arm the track for recording or playback so you hear the voice in real time. Next, click an empty effect slot and load Auto-Tune Pro. This creates the audio chain. Once loaded, set the input monitoring and make sure latency compensation is active so the timing stays intact. You're now positioned to configure key parameters and begin corrective tuning immediately. Once Auto-Tune is inserted, set the song key and scale to match your track. This prevents unwanted pitch snapping and preserves musical context. Then adjust retune speed. Lower values for the classic robotic effect, higher for natural correction. Make sure to dial humanize and flex tune to retain expressive timing and vibrato. You can also use the formant and natural vibrato controls to keep tone intact. As you tweak, listen in context with the mix and make small incremental changes. Finish by automating retune speed or bypassing auto-tune for sections that need natural expression. This gives dynamic control across the song. Render a test mix and compare dry versus process takes so you can commit to the best blend. Make sure to check output latency and freeze or bounce tracks if CPU spikes occur. If you encounter glitches or unnatural artifacts, increase your audio buffer, ease off extreme retune settings, or re-record a cleaner performance. This usually resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.